Ma'am Raza, coordinators, teachers, and my fellow students. Today, Class 10B presents a kaleidoscope through which you can see a million opportunities and vistas that will assist you in making a blueprint for your future that will help you live the life of your dreams.
Before we proceed, I'd like to invite everyone to join their hands and close their eyes for a brief moment of prayer.
Dear Divine Creator, as the morning sun rises and fills the world with its light, I come before you with gratitude in my heart. Thank you for the gift of this new day, for the opportunities it holds and the blessings it brings. Guide my thoughts, words, and actions today. Grant me the wisdom to make decisions that align with your will and the courage to face any challenges that may come my way. Help me to be mindful of the beauty that surrounds me and the love that fills my life and the miracles that unfold in each moment. Amen.
Today, we are not talking about the predefined man society hands you, the doctor, engineer, lawyer levels. Today, we are embarking on an expedition of self-discovery. We are building an internal compass that points towards the magnetic north of your passions, values, and strengths. Our exploration begins with introspection. Grab your metaphorical glasses and examine your curiosity. What sparks the fire in your soul? Is it the intricate puzzles of scientific problems, the symphony of words on page, or the thrills of building something from scratch?
Next, delve into your values. What principles are non-negotiable for you? Is it collaboration or independence? Is it helping others or creating something new? Finally, chart your strengths. Maybe you can learn languages with an ease, analyze data like a pro, or have an uncanny ability to connect with people. Don't underestimate these strengths. They are the winds in your sails propelling you forward.
Your life is a story, so make it epic. Instead of rushing to the final chapter, savor the thrill of the journey, embrace the challenges, learn from the setbacks, and celebrate the victories. Your career is a story in making, so make it one filled with adventure, resilience, and ultimately the satisfaction of knowing that you have explored every corner of your potential.
Now let's explore the valuable insights of the acclaimed journalist Nishant Chaturvedi on achieving success in life.
I stand before you to emphasize the importance of education and training in various streams after completing the 10th grade, particularly in the diverse field of science, humanities, and commerce in the dynamic landscape of India, where opportunities abound. It is crucial to make informed choices about our education paths and career trajectories.
A guide to planning your dream career, the future beckons. A vast ocean filled with possibilities. But like any captain about to set sail, you need a well-charted course to navigate the exciting, yet sometimes choppy, waters of career planning.
Today, we equip you with a roadmap to navigate your unique course towards your dream career.
Moving on to the humanities stream, it encompasses subjects like history, geography, political science, literature, and languages. Contrary to common misconceptions, humanities education is not limited in scope. It fosters critical thinking, creativity, and communication skills, essential for various professions. After the 10th grade, students interested in humanities can pursue avenues like social sciences, arts, journalism, law and civil services. Competitive exams such as the Common Law Admission Test (CLAT), Union Public Service Commission (UPSC), Civil Services Examination, and state-level administrative services examinations pave the way for careers in law, bureaucracy, and public service. In addition to these paths, humanities students have a wide range of career options to explore. They are delved into fields such as social work, education, public relations, human resources management, cultural heritage management, foreign services, creative writing, publishing, and event management. These diverse career paths showcase the breadth and depth of opportunities which the humanities stream can endeavor you to, emphasizing the importance of critical thinking, creativity, and communication skills in various professional fields.
Let's delve into the realm of science education. Science is not just a subject, it's a way of thinking, problem solving, and understanding the world around us. After completing the 10th grade, students can opt for science stream, which opens a plethora of avenues ranging from engineering, medicine, and pure science to technology and research. To pursue a career in this field, students typically opt for competitive exams such as Joint Entrance Examination (JEE) for engineering, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET) for medical science, or exams conducted by prestigious institutes like Indian Institutes of Technologies (IITs) and All India Institute of Medical Sciences (AIIMS). These exams are the gateways to esteemed institutes and lay the foundation for a successful career in science-related fields. In addition to these traditional paths, science students have a wide range of career options to explore. They can delve into fields such as biotechnology, environmental science, agricultural science, pharmacy, nanotechnology, astrophysics, astronomy, and data science. These diverse career options showcase the breadth and depth of opportunities within the field of science, providing students with a multitude of options to pursue their passions and interests.
Now let's watch a brief video featuring Jitin Chawla, a well-known career counselor, as he delves into the world of upcoming career opportunities beyond an MBA.
Beyond MBA, everyone speaks of MBA, but check out the latest career options. IR, International Relations, you can get PhD consulting, CSM consulting, sustainability management, all after IR. Yes, you can go for psychology, law, especially corporate, international, cyber. Cyber is really, really good. You can check out public policy courses, check out the global governance initiative, which is there in India, or similar courses outside India. Check out luxury brand management, again good options. Modeling and acting, yes, why not? If you're really interested, you go for short courses and get out of it. Explore these, be successful.
necessary for traveling to cooperate and pursue careers in finance, accounting, management, and commerce-related fields. In this stream, students delve into subjects like economics, accountancy, business studies, and entrepreneurship, gaining valuable knowledge that opens the doors to diverse career opportunities. Aspiring commerce professionals have a range of avenues to explore, from competitive exams like the Common Proficiency Test, CPT, conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, to entrance exams for prestigious business schools like the Common Admission Test, CAT, for the Indian Institutes of Management, IIMS. So to all the future financial wizards and business freaks, embrace the commerce stream with diligence, for it holds the keys to unlocking your potential in the dynamic world of commerce and industry. Thank you.
In addition to these traditional paths, commerce students have a wide range of career options to explore. They can delve into fields such as banking, investment banking, financial analysis, marketing, human resources, international business, and entrepreneurship. These diverse career paths showcase the breadth and depth of opportunities within the commerce stream, emphasizing the importance of financial literacy, business acumen, and managerial skills in various professional fields. Thank you.
Now, Vivek Virat from our class would like to present the song to uplift our spirits and brighten our day.
Mic check. I see trees so green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see the skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed days, dark skin night. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, and also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I see babies crying. I see babies crying. I watch them grow. They're not much more. I'll never know. But I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Thank you.
So once again, thanking class 10B, thanking the teachers, thanking the students for the lovely assembly this morning. Please give them a big round of applause.